Good morning from Sasagula Food Court. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's another really beautiful day. And we just got some breakfast.
Omelette, ham,
no, potato hash. I don't know. I don't know what they call it.
I don't know either.
And hold on. Am I a hidden Mickey?
Yes, you are.
And I'm gonna have a bagel. And then we're off to Animal Kingdom. First stop of the day, at least at Animal Kingdom, Joffrey's. Chewy loves their coffee. And I'm gonna have a chai tea. Let me zoom in and show you the menu. Ooh, wonder what the anniversary coffee is. Ooh, a peach iced tea. That sounds good.
We'll meet you up there.
There's my main squeeze. He loves his coffee. It's another gorgeous day. More snow at home today, so I'm not missing that. It's going to be hard to go back to the cold, though. Since it took a little time to wait for a bus, we're going to go straight back to Pandora because it's almost time for our Fast Pass for Flight of Passage. Here comes my man with snacks. Oh wow, you got the drink too.
This is a night blossom. Now I can buy a drink.
And more importantly, take a bite, babe. He's gonna cheat. I love these things. Isn't it good? You didn't have one last time, did you? Are you excited to see the Nemo show?
Yeah.
Something new? We haven't done this before. We've done a fair amount. What was some of? There was a couple things we've never done before. We've tried some new restaurants. Was there another attraction that we had never done?
The Lion King?
No, we did that a long time ago with your mom. And when my mom and your mom were here. Didn't we do something at Magic Kingdom that we had never been on before?
I don't remember.
Epcot. Is there something we did at Epcot? Now I can't remember. When I go back and edit these, when I figure it out, I'll enter it here below, if in fact there was something.
Right here below.
Well, yeah, at the bottom of the screen.
Right there in the bottom of the screen.
Yep, right there where I put the type in. Go with the flow, wow, 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 wow. Okay, that's my version of the song. That's not how it really goes. How did you like Avatar this time? I felt there was a lot more smells and there was a lot of mist this time.
Yep.
I like the room we went in today versus the room we went into a couple days ago. That one was way far on the end, and I feel it's a little bit like Soarin', where being in the middle, I don't know. It's not as anywhere near as, what's the word I want, when it's distorted. It's not distorted like that. But the smells were really intense today.
What?
Well, I'm trying to swim here.
But we're trying to find Nemo. You were showing me which way the boat went.
A boat? I've seen a boat! Follow me!
Huh?
I don't know why we can't just say hello.
I want to go home! Daddy!
Honey, your dad's probably back at the pet store.
Pet store?
Yeah, you know, like I'm from Bob's Fish Market.
eBay.
I'm from the ocean.
The ocean,
Hi, Nigel.
I'm from the ocean too. Sorry if I ever took a snap at your land. So what have we got today, mates?
Root canal.
Has he loosened the periodontal ligament?
Shoot! He's not your fish. He's going to my Darla.
Darla! Oh no!
What? What's wrong with her?
Every year she gets a fish.
Every year she shakes the bag.
And every year that fish goes belly up!
She's a fish
Oh, what happened? He took off the jellies, did he, man? You saved for the blue.
Dory, is she okay?
P. Sherman 42, Wallaby, Way, Sydney. P. Sherman 42, Wallaby, Way, Sydney. Right.
Nemo, you get back here!
I know what to do. We have to save Dory.
No, I have to think of you!
I'm small enough to get in there. Dad, I have a plan.
You think that you can do these things, but I know you can.
Tell everybody to swim